Hey guys, so we're heading off to Loskayoness. We are going to just walk through as much as we can through Loskayoness because we want to just check it out. The last times that we've gone, we've only gone for like a short period of time, but this time we're going as residents. So I will show you the parking. I will show you how much parking is, if it's easy, if it's not easy. So let's go check it out.
Why do I feel like that's slowly fading?
You guys, you know how hard it is to find like a place that you want to sit and eat? It's so hard because there's so many good options everywhere. Every corner has like tacos. And the smells are just so freaking good, and it's so hard. Like, which one do you choose? Because they all smell so good. So, and they probably all give you the shits, but hey, still good.
That was way back when you and I, we were a slow burn, baby. Oh, we were young, so damn naive. Looked at the world through rose-colored glasses. You had your goals, then you
You guys, that's one thing that I love about Los Angeles is that it has these beautiful like architectural buildings that have like these craftsmanship on them that you don't see obviously nowadays, but it's just so beautiful. Like this road right here reminds me like if it's a place in New York, you know, and I've never been to New York, but it just looks like that. It's got that Victorian style, so it's really cool.
Did you let those dreams pass you by? I would never blame you if you left. No, I won't be the one to hold you back. 'Cause we can stop the time, it's just a fact. We're not getting younger, we're not getting younger. In the bed we made, I lay wide awake, but I keep losing myself in these daydreams.
Look how pretty these houses are. They don't even look like they belong here. Yeah, like have you guys ever watched The Secret Garden? That's what this house reminds me of. It's like a house like in England or somewhere. Wow. Look at this one. This is so beautiful. Wow, what's up? Look how nice this is. I swear, and it's in LA. That's the insane part.
Next to me, I can hear you sleep, but I know you're not dreaming of me. Oh, we were young, so damn naive. Looked at the world through rose-colored glasses. You had your goals, then you met me. Did you let those dreams pass you by? I would never blame you if you left. No, I won't be the one to hold you back. 'Cause we can stop the time, it's just a fact. We're not getting younger, we're not getting younger. I would never blame you.
Guys, we are in Koreatown. So as you guys can see, the city's over there. We are close. We're about 17 minutes out. This is Koreatown Gallery. Yeah, I do think that the ones that we were looking at that one too. Alright guys, so we've actually seen one apartment that was on our list. And me and Richard are thinking of doing all the apartments that were on our list when we were thinking obviously of moving here, and we were looking at certain areas and stuff, so that's going to be exciting to see. But we're so close, I can see the city, but right now where we're at is Koreatown, so it's pretty cool. It's very busy, like very busy. I feel like because it's small, it reminds me of a place called Cabramatta in Sydney. Cabramatta was very small, but because it's always so busy with restaurants and businesses, it's like, and the parking situation was super annoying, and there's only one way, and it's like, oh. So yeah, it reminds me of Cabramatta. So we'll see, but let's go. Antequitos. They got tamales. Oh my god, they've got all the Salvadorian like fruits and stuff. Oh, we get here.
People here.
Wow, they do.
They make it. Oh, then.
Man, I wish I like seafood. Smells, looks good, smells not so good, but it looks good. Wow, you guys, there were so many like vendors in the corner. So we're close. We're about 10 minutes away now. Ooh.
Dios no hace acepción de personas. Todo el que peca dice a pesar de tener la ley de Moisés dice.
It is Salvadorian.
La ley será juzgado.
What is he saying?
The law of Moses shall be judged. Those who sin.
Look. Alright guys, so we're here at Loskayoness now. So we're just gonna try and find parking. We don't know where to park. We're gonna kind of just see where to park, but it is packed. Obviously it's Saturday, so it's obviously much packed. Much full. No, what is it? Much more busy. So.
Rule number 1, you don't know what word you're trying to say, just say it the long way. That's how I always do it in Spanish.
But I'm dyslexic, so even that I find trouble.
Spanish, but I can't.
Wow, it is busy. Oh yeah, look. They have the
Naughty outfits.
Chanel, Louis Vuitton, and naughty outfits. Jerry, you can't be looking. Alright guys, so I think we actually have parked here before. Now the parking is $10. Sketchy thing I will say, the last time this is what happened to us as well, is that you have to leave the key with them. That's sketchy, but all they're gonna have is a lot of shopping bags, so, and the car, but it's all right. We will be all right. I'm pretty sure we'll take a photo and everything like that, but it is $10 parking, cash only. Unfortunately, again, you do have to leave them the key, so that's yeah, that's a sketchy part. But we'll see in a couple of hours if the car is still here or not. So fingers crossed everything goes well, but this is what happened to us the last time.
This is pretty.
Yeah, like it's kind of common, so. But
I'm pretty used to it, to be honest.
Yeah. All right, let's go. Alright guys, so parking was $10. We actually got to get the key because we parked. Welcome to Maple Center. So it's a deep hill, but we parked here. Alright, let's go and explore.
Is that Carol t-shirt?
Yeah, look. Oh, look, the perfumes and stuff. Lashes galore.
5 for 20. That's the price.
That's a little steep. That is a little steep. The perfume. All right. Oh, yeah, let's choose. Yeah. Yeah.
See it like a glass of shop. Dang, look at that. What the hell is that?
Una pichota calzón de. Man, that was busy.
That was
hella busy.
busy and tight.
Yeah. Busy and tight. That's not bad.
Well, I
Even
think-
got La Boo Boos.
I think that was more of like the fashion side of things. So there's a lot of clothes.
There's a lot to look at. Damn, they're going expensive.
The food is
Damn, food is expensive, you guys. This was $20. Just thought I'd let you know. Yeah, a lot of the parking, you guys, is $10. And you'll like park up there. It's not bad. Oh, look at the little baby.
That's for $5.
That's pretty good.
You make lots of money. You got the blueberries or mulberries?
Mulberries. That was actually pretty good. That's a good price. Oh, those are nice. For 80?
I just don't know what.
I don't know. I don't know. Okay, we'll go. Ooh, I see a tops that I like. Alright guys, so I got these glasses. These were $10 at Loskayoness. It was so much fun. We got churros, we got a bag, we got incense, we got glasses. Richard got glasses. I'm going to show you when we get home what I got, which is pretty cool because it was $80 and I was like, you know what, I'll take it. I'll take it. But I really do like these glasses, so... But we are going home. It says that we're going to get that at 3:42. It is 3:16. Let's see if that is true. Okay, because it's Saturday. It's LA. Downtown LA. So we'll see how traffic goes. But so far it looks like we'll be there in 26 minutes. So let's go.
For being nosy, look at him.
What are you doing?
For being nosy, look at what happened to you.
Ay, OZZIE. Ay, OZZIE. Come on, go. Go. Alright guys, so we just got back from Loskayoness. Now, with the parking, at first we thought that they had to take our keys, but because there was a lot of space and we ended up parking like near a wall, he said that he's like, you can keep your keys. Obviously, he's like, we don't need them because it's not even packed. So he's like, sorry, you don't have to give us your keys. And it was $10. Pretty cool, pretty cheap. But let me show you what we got. So I got incense. There were 20 for $2, so I got them. And then I got some tights because mama needs some. So they were $10 and they're super stretchy. And I thought, I'm like, look how light they are. Like I can probably see stuff, but no, it's actually white. There's white in between. So it's very thick. They have some pockets, which obviously I won't use because they're tiny. But they were $10 and they were tights and I needed some. So I only got... Hey boy, I only got one just in case, you know, they either ripped or something like that. But if they work well, then I'll buy more. I ended up getting these sunglasses here. These were $10, and I just like the pattern of them. The pattern looked pretty cool, so it's really cool. Then this was the coolest part, was the Louis Vuitton bag that I got. Obviously, it is fake. It's not like the actual thing, but it's this little baby. And I got it because the leather felt really good. Like it didn't feel like that stiffness. It felt really well, and it's super cute. And I got this one for $80. So I was like, all right, lady, give it to mama. And it's so yeah, so it's obviously red, and it comes with a little coin bag, and then it came with some straps. What is this, buggies? Look at this. What is this? So this is how the strap looks. It's pretty cool. It's not bad. She had like a Chanel as well. Like it's so cute. Obviously it's, you know, it's not the real thing, so I'm not trying to like say it is. It isn't. It's the fake one. It's cute, but it's super cute. I don't think I'll ever buy a Louis Vuitton because they're just way too expensive. So I'm like, you know what? I'll just get this one. And so many people were buying, obviously like the knockoffs, you know, they were buying them and stuff. But yeah, no, it's actually pretty good. I have seen other knockoffs and I felt them, and they just felt very stiff, like very stiff. And this is why I bought this one, because it just didn't feel that way. And it feels really good, and it's super cute. It's small, so I was like, you know what, mama, you're coming with me. Oh, okay, so it comes like that. Oh, that's super cute. I like the straps. The straps feel really good. The material is really good, I will say. I'm very surprised at how good the material is. Also, I got the incense. Let me just... Cool. So I got some incense as well, obviously to burn in the house. But that is what we got. And then Richard got some Ray-Bans as well. You want to come here? I feel like when you go to Loskayoness, you have to shop around, like, because obviously some of them do sell like the same things, so you just want to shop around and see which one gives you the best one. You're just so cute, aren't you so cute? I love you so much. You know that? Yes, I love you. You want to say hi to them? Say hi, YouTube. Oh, he's so cute. Well, I think it was a really fun day. We explored more. This one was pretty cool because we stayed longer. The other times when we've stayed, we've had to kind of like be in a bit of a rush. So this time we walked around, we ate some hot dogs. The hot dogs were pretty expensive. The whole meal, like 2 hot dogs and a Coke, was $20. To me, that was pretty expensive. But we were just hungry. So when you're hungry, don't go to Loskayoness when you're starving, because you're gonna just pick anything. And then we got some churros that were, I think it was like 4 for $3. So we got 2 bags and just scoffed them down. Also, another thing, we filled up the petrol, $50. It came out literally exact $50. We also wanted to see how much it would come out for a full tank. It came out to $50 with the rego. We registered the car, so that came out to $200, and we did that at AAA. The DMV is too crazy, so we ended up going to a AAA and doing it there. They gave us the plates, the stickers, and that cost $200. But before we had to do that, we had to do a smog test because we do have a 2014 Toyota Corolla. So we had to do a smog, which was $60. So rego smog came out to $260. And Richard shopped around for insurance. We were with AAA in Las Vegas, and he shopped around, and Geico was the one that was giving us the best option, and it came out to $165 a month. So it came out to $165, which we were really surprised because of the area that we live in. But obviously, I also too, I have a ticket from Henderson, so I was like, I was surprised that the ticket didn't come up, which blew me away because I'm like, I paid that sucker. So I'm like, how did it not come up? Like, I mean, we didn't pay anything, but I was just like, that was weird. So at first we thought it was going to be obviously in the 2s because of the ticket. It came out to $165 and we took it, paid it. So $165 for insurance, $200 for rego, and $60 for the smog. So it wasn't bad. Thankfully, we had a little bit aside for that because as Richard used to be in insurance, he obviously knows, you know, so he made sure that we had a little bit set aside for that in particular. Surprisingly, I thought it was going to be super expensive, but again, everyone is different. You know, we don't have a brand new car or anything like that, and all of those go into factors, right? You know, your driving years, whatever, you know, everything. No one is ever going to have the same rate. But yeah, I was actually quite surprised with the rate that we got. We're going to hang out with Mr. Gogies and chill out for a bit, and then later go to one of the areas here to get some fruit from Loskayoness, because I've been wanting some mango with tahin and chamoy. I've been craving that since last night, and because they're always out there, we're going today. All right, guys, thank you for coming, and I will see you later. Bye. All right, guys, so we ended up getting the fruits. These two, Richard got like a full platter, and I got just mango, chamoy, and tahin. So did Richard. That cost $21. But I think I got a really good deal on my Louis fake Vuitton bag because they were selling them for $120 and I got mine for $80, and it was the exact same one. So I feel like I got a deal.